Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your exterior door handle on the front door of a 2016 Honda CRV. And this door handle has the Honda Smart Entry, which you can tell by this little button right here. So because it has that, we're going to have to remove the door panel and get back inside here to unplug it. I have a separate video on how to take the door panel off, and I'll put that in the a link to that in the description below. If your door handle doesn't have this button, then you can skip the step of taking the door panel off. Alright, so once you got the door panel off, we need to get in behind this vapor barrier in order to unplug the handle. So we're just going to take the edge here and slip it over this rubber plug, and I'm just going to pull down on it and try to avoid touching this black stuff. If you get it on you, it's a mess. But you can get off, if you do get on your skin, you can just take some oil in a paper towel and rub it, and it'll come right off. So just pull that down, and here's the plug right here, and the tab we're pushing is right there. So pushing on the tab with one hand, and then with the other hand you're going to pull out on the other side of the plug, and that unplugs this harness from the or the door handle harness rather, from the main door harness. And next, come around to the door jamb here, and we got this plug that we got to take off. Just carefully take a flathead and pop it off, and then take a 10mm socket, and we're going to take this bolt out. And when you go to remove the bolt, once you have it loose, you're going to want to make sure that you either tilt your socket back so it doesn't fall down in the door, or you can even just put a piece of masking tape on the end of your socket, and that way when you take the bolt out, it's a nice tight fit and it won't fall down in the door. And then come around to the exterior of the door, out by the door handle here. And this door handle, it's two pieces. So you got the end cap, and then you got the actual handle itself. So the bolt we took out just holds this end cap in, goes in right there, so that just pops out. And then the door handle, you just gotta take it and slide it towards the rear of the vehicle, and then pull out on the back side of it, and just feed the wiring harness through. Now when you go to put the door handle back on, you want to make sure these rubber seals are seated around the holes. Like when I took it off, this one popped off. Just make sure it's, the little tabs on it are seated inside the hole properly, and it's flush against the door. But that's it guys, that's how you remove the door handle. Thanks for watching.